Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting in Chrome. Click the three-dot menu at the top right and pick More Tools, then Extensions. You need to be in the correct profile, so switch profiles now if needed. Once the Extensions page appears, scan the list for the extension you want to disable. Make sure you identify the exact name. Extensions can look similar. This first step gets you to the Control panel, where toggles and details live so you can safely switch off what you no longer want running. You'll see a toggle next to each extension. Click it to disable the extension immediately without removing it. Once done, click Details to understand why it needed permissions and whether it has site access. That helps you decide if removal is better. If an extension is causing problems, disable first to test. Disable preserve settings. Make sure to check Allow in Incognito is off if you don't want it working in private windows. This middle step prevents surprises before permanent removal. To complete the process, restart Chrome so changes apply across all tabs. That often clears lingering behavior. If disabling didn't fix the issue, remove the extension and reinstall a fresh copy from the Chrome Web Store. That resets corrupt files. If Chrome still misbehaves, try disabling other extensions to isolate a conflict, and only then consider resetting browser settings. If you run into errors, make sure Chrome is updated and you're signed into the right profile before taking stronger actions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.